The CAPTA organization of Chandigarh is planning to hold a mass conference of 25th of December in Chandigarh. There are long pending demands of the CAPTA which they are aiming at. What are these demands and what will the further course of actions will be for these teachers? Let's have a word with the few members who are present with us to understand what are those long pending issues and what are they aiming at right now. Mr. Sumit, right now we are well aware that the CAPTA has been continuously protesting about the long pending issues, about the pay commission and the other factors also. Please put some light on it. What are those issues?
Basically, the issue, first of all, the issue is our caste promotions, which are pending since long from 18/7/2018 as per UGC regulation 2018.
Right.
Recently, Vice Chancellor Punjab University has also intervened with the Chandigarh administration, and they have written to a finance secretary who is the chairman of High Power Committee, which is constituted by the governor sir and education secretary. कि जो हमारा कैस्ट प्रमोशंस हैं, these are the prerogative of universities as per UGC guideline. चंडीगढ़ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और एनी अदर गवर्नमेंट नथिंग टू डू विद ये जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट की हाई कोर्ट की जजमेंट भी है कि जो कैस्ट प्रमोशंस हैं दे आर प्योरली अ प्रेरोगेटिव ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटीज एफिलेटेड यूनिवर्सिटीज ओनली. तो यूनिवर्सिटीज से हम वी आर एकेडमिकली प्रोमोटेड बट फाइनेंशियली जो बेनिफिट है हमें अभी तक नहीं मिला सिंस लास्ट 10 years.
So what is the CAPTA thinking of doing it in the further action? Because these are the long pending issues and they won't be resolved anytime soon. Even you people know that.
Yeah, you are right. These are long pending issues. Last time also we have done 11 days protest.
Right.
We roam Matka Chowk there, and we also go various colleges and all the students organizations which are in our colleges. More than 35,000 students are there. तो हम सबने मिलकर एक जॉइंट एक्शन कमेटी बनाई थी इंक्लूडिंग टीचिंग, नॉन टीचिंग एंड स्टूडेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो तब हमने पे कमीशन के लिए अचीव किया था. तो तब एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने हमें पे कमीशन भी दिया, एरियर्स भी दिए. तो अगर ऐसी बात होती है कि ये भी हम 2 साल से एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के साथ टॉकिंग टर्म्स पे हैं, टेबल टॉक्स कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कोई इसका सोल्यूशन नहीं निकल रहा.
जी सर, टेबल टॉक्स कब तक चलते रहेंगे? बिकॉज लॉन्ग पेंडिंग इशू है, टेबल टॉक्स लगातार ही होते जा रहे हैं बट नो रेजोल्यूशन, नो सोल्यूशन इज टू बी फाउंड.
मैडम कितने बार उनकी मीटिंग हो चुकी है और वो चाहे तक सानू कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं मिले. तो सारे कॉलेजों के जो टीचर है कितनी बार असी स्ट्रगल भी किया, अगे भी असी करते रहेंगे स्ट्रगल, पर साड़ी कोई सुनवाई नहीं.
So then what will be the further course of action? Meetings are a solution.
Meetings are just, of course, meetings are the solution if there is willingness on the part of the administration. Basically, we are not very clear whether the government is functioning under administration or administration is functioning under the government. It is the bureaucrats who are calling the shots.
Right.
They are dictating the government. Otherwise, the government had clearly issued a notification in 2022 that all the higher education institutions shall be governed by the UGC. That is very clear. But still, administration is not willing to give, at least to the aided colleges, their due.
So what will be the further course of action? What, any mass protests? Because a press conference will address the issue, but it won't provide a solution.
अगर मैम इन्होंने हमारी ये मांगे पूरी ना की तो आने वाले टाइम में हम धरना भी लगाएंगे. अपना एजुकेशन जो सिस्टम है, जो कॉलेजेस वगैरह, वो हम बंद भी करेंगे. तो इनको चाहिए ये जो हमारे जेन्युइन इशू है इनको जल्दी से जल्दी पूरा करें.
Right. So the CAPTA is very sure that if the demands are not met, if a solution is not provided, protests will take place, there will be shutting down of colleges, which eventually means that loss of education will be there, and we're quite sure that the government and the administration does not want that, because previously the same kind of things were happened in the pay commission issue, and right now the teachers are saying that it's a very genuine issue that they are facing and they're expecting for a steady resolution of the issue. With Bunny, this is Pavit Kaur for the Savera.